Hey YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. In May 2024, I had the opportunity to visit San Diego for the first time. I stayed in the city for 4 days, but I only had time to explore it for about 48 hours. Overall, my impression of the city was good. The weather was consistently nice, there were a lot of outdoor activities that you can do, and the city was relatively clean. If you're about to go to San Diego and want to learn more about what you can do there, stay tuned and I'll share with you all the details about my short stay in San Diego. In this video, I'll be discussing the following things: places I visited, food, accommodations, and how to get around. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you could support my channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment below, and smashing the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get started. Places I visited. Old Town San Diego State Park. Old Town San Diego State Park offers a unique glimpse into California's rich history, blending cultural heritage with vibrant local life. Visitors can explore historic buildings, museums, and restored homes, experiencing the state's early days as a Spanish and Mexican settlement. The park also features lively shops, delicious authentic Mexican cuisine, and frequent cultural events, making it a perfect spot for history buffs, food lovers, and families alike. Its charming atmosphere and scenic beauty make it a must-visit destination in San Diego. La Jolla. La Jolla is a stunning coastal gem in San Diego, known for its picturesque beaches, upscale dining, and vibrant art scene. Visitors can enjoy activities like kayaking, snorkeling, and tide pool exploration at the famous La Jolla Cove, or take in breathtaking views from the cliffs. The area is also home to world-class museums, galleries, and the renowned La Jolla Playhouse. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, La Jolla offers something for everyone in a truly scenic setting. San Diego Zoo. The San Diego Zoo is a must-visit destination for animal lovers and families, offering an unforgettable experience with over 3,700 animals across more than 650 species. Set in the lush Balboa Park, the zoo features innovative exhibits like the Giant Panda Research Station and the Africa Rocks display, immersing visitors in the natural habitats of the animals. With its beautiful landscapes, engaging animal encounters, and educational programs, the San Diego Zoo provides a fun and inspiring experience while promoting conservation and wildlife preservation. Balboa Park. Balboa Park is San Diego's cultural heart, offering visitors a rich blend of history, art, and nature. With its beautiful gardens, iconic Spanish colonial architecture, and over 70 museums, it's a haven for art lovers, history enthusiasts, and nature seekers. The park is also home to the famous San Diego Zoo and hosts a variety of events and festivals throughout the year. Whether you're exploring its lush green spaces, enjoying world-class exhibitions, or taking in live performances, Balboa Park is a vibrant destination that offers something for everyone. USS Midway Museum. The USS Midway Museum offers a unique and immersive experience aboard a historic aircraft carrier, providing a fascinating look at naval aviation and military history. Visitors can explore over 60 exhibits, including aircraft displays, flight simulators, and the ship's command center. With interactive tours led by veterans, the museum gives an insider's view of life aboard a U.S. Navy ship. Located on San Diego's waterfront, it offers stunning views and a memorable experience for history buffs, aviation enthusiasts, and anyone interested in military heritage. Coast Walk Trail. Coast Walk Trail in San Diego offers a beautiful, scenic hike along the cliffs of La Jolla, providing stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and rugged coastline. This relatively easy trail is perfect for those who enjoy nature, photography, or simply want to take in breathtaking coastal views. The path meanders through coastal bluffs and offers opportunities to spot marine life, seabirds, and even sea lions. Whether you're looking for a peaceful walk or a place to admire the sunset, Coast Walk Trail offers a serene and picturesque experience right by the ocean. Food. Mike's Taco Club. I stayed in a hostel in the Ocean Beach area, and there were a lot of food places to choose from. One of the places I ate at was Mike's Taco Club. I had 2 tacos for dinner, one steak and shrimp taco, and one grilled fish taco. They were both delicious, especially when dipped with their specialty sauce. However, I did find it a bit pricey, and I feel like I could have bought the same quality tacos back at home. Hodad's. Hodad's is a small chain of hamburger restaurants in San Diego. Just a few minutes walk from the hostel I was staying at, they had a Hodad's. I ordered a single hamburger with a basket of fries, and to be honest, it tasted pretty standard, but the portion size was huge. I couldn't finish all the food, so I had to eat some for lunch the next day. Overall, I would say the food to price ratio was good, but the quality of the food was average. Pizza Port Ocean Beach. Another place I ate at was at a pizza joint and brewery called Pizza Port. While I was there, of course I had to try their pizza. I ordered a 10-inch pizza Lahaina and it was satisfying. I liked how they made the pizza, but I would say it's not the best pizza I've ever had. Baboy Natural Gelato. While I was traveling around San Diego, I stumbled upon a local gelato place called Baboy Natural Gelato in the La Jolla area. It had really good reviews on Google Reviews, so I had to try it. When I arrived, I was impressed by all the different flavors they offered. I got to taste test a lot of the flavors I was interested in, and they were delicious. The gelato was refreshing, the texture was smooth, and overall the quality was excellent. I ended up ordering my usual go-to flavors, pistachio and nocciola, and let's just say my sweet tooth was definitely satisfied that day. Accommodations. In San Diego, I stayed at a hostel in the Ocean Beach area called Samesun Ocean Beach. At the hostel, I slept in a clean 6-bed female dormitory for 4 nights, and it cost me $134.33. This accommodation was a fun one to stay at because the hostel allows you to borrow or rent equipment to do water activities along the ocean. Another great thing about the hostel is that they offered a simple continental breakfast for each night you were there. Overall, I would give this hostel a rating of 8 out of 10. How to get around. The public transportation in San Diego is quite advanced. Most tourist places can be accessed via public transit. In terms of how to pay, it's very simple. The transit system offers contactless payment, so when you ride the bus or take the train, all you have to do is tap your debit or credit card at a purple validator machine, and you're good to go. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions about San Diego, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you like my content, please show your support by giving this video a like and hitting the subscribe button. See you next time!